Hello and welcome to this session on selection of cosmetics and implementation. Let us begin with this session. Let us look at the objectives of this exercise. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to choose various cosmetics and implement for makeup. The requirements for this exercise are makeup brushes, 1 set. Varieties of sponges, 1 number. Let us start the procedure. The first task is to select a wider varieties of makeup and supplies depending on the areas that you plan to work. A few of them include the following: lip lining pencils in dark, medium, light. A variety of foundation colors and shades. Foundations mainly come in 3 ranges of shades: fair, medium, and dark. For each range of shades, there is also a range of undertones. Cool, warm, and neutral. You want to find the right shade with the right undertone. Concealers in light and darker shades. The rule of thumb for picking your concealer shade is based on your foundation shade. Light to dark eyeshadows and eyeliner pencils, including browns and grays. Translucent powder. Makeup sponges, brushes, and applicators. Makeup sponges help you apply liquid makeup. Makeup brushes give you a very precise application which helps the makeup look more natural. Brushes also make it easier to blend harsh lines on the face because you will have more control than if you were using a basic applicator. Applicators. An excellent tool for application of liquid makeup products and blending. Angled ends and cylindrical shape help control the application of product. Tweezers. Professionals use disposable mascara wands. Proper storage of beauty products allow them to last well through expiry dates and also declutter the shelves and for an easy access to the makeup. The following are the 6 essential tips for storage of beauty products. Keep away from moisture. Makeup can't withstand moisture like the skin. Bathroom counter is not the place to store it. Moisture encourages the spread of bacteria, and so pans of brushes and eyeshadows should be kept in a dry place. Never in the sun. Storing makeup in direct sunlight is damaging as it can break down the ingredients and cause the formula to split, especially in cream and liquid products. Instead, choose a cool and dry place to store them in. Under rather than over. Pull-out drawers are recommended rather than open on the countertop. Dust collection and direct sunlight will lead to disastrous effect on the cosmetics. Creation of sections for lip, cheek, face, and eye products. Within pull-out drawers, for safe and organized storage is recommended. Allow easy access. Division of makeup into products. According to usage, as often or occasionally used and regularly used will create easy access for makeup. This will prevent from rustling and upsetting everything when you are searching for a lipstick. Make use of acrylic drawers and containers to store makeup, as they will keep dust away while being completely visible. Don't forget your brushes. Ensure that brushes are washed monthly, or else bacteria and germs will make bristles their home. When drying, place them flat, horizontally, so that no water accumulates. To store the brushes daily, place them upright in a mug or mason jar so that the bristles can air out. Turn to the fridge. For products which are intended to cool and have resilient formulas, the fridge is the perfect storage box, away from the food items of course. Tuck nail varnish bottles in a Ziploc pouch and store in the fridge, as the temperature will prevent it from becoming thick and goopy. 30 minutes before applying eye cream, stick it in the fridge for an added soothing touch. To recap, we have learnt to choose various cosmetics and implements for makeup. 6 tips to store makeup properly. They are: keep away from moisture, never in the sun, under rather than over, allow easy access, don't forget the brushes, turn to the fridge. This brings us to the end of this session. Hope you have understood all the concepts. See you in the next session.